Hey Heather, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me this morning and requesting your free video. So we're just going to go over a few tips that's going to help your website and your performance online so you get more of those organic leads. So as you can see, we're on your website. Let's see. Okay. Click to call. Keyword. Okay, those don't take me anywhere. Um, Looks like you do have a little bit of content here. Not really see any real keyword usage. Um, Looks like you have multiple service areas plus surrounding cities. So you definitely want to make sure that you're going to have a separate page, not only for each of your services, but each of your service areas. So each of these towns that have any search volume need to have their own page so you can be found in those areas for the services you provide. Um, Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They have robots called crawlers that index your pages, pulling all of your content and keywords. So it is very important that you have a lot of content. Your website needs more content than your competitors. And Google really likes to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage. Going after those local based buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords that people are actively searching for when disaster strikes and they have those emergencies. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the problem that they're having, and those are the specific searches that they're going to be searching for and that you need to be found for, especially being in emergency services. You want to be the first person that they call. So it is very important that they can find you. You need a separate page for every individual one of your services. Um, just at quick glance, looks like summaries, not pages. So you're going to need the same content strategy on every single one of your service pages and service area pages. So you need 150 words for every buyer intent keyword you're going to target. Dalworth is your top competitor in your service area. And as you can see, they have separate pages for every one of their services. They really work hard on their keyword strategy. Um, More keyword usage. They have interlinking in their pages, which is important. And then you can see that each one of their service areas has their own individual page. So that is going to be really critical for you. In order to beat these guys, you're going to need a lot more content. You're going to need those individual pages, and you're going to have to um, restructure your content to go after those keywords. In addition, let's see, this is Ahrefs. It's a program that tells us how your website is performing. As you can see, your domain rating, which is your website as a whole, has a 0.2 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not trust your website, which is 100% because you're referring domains and backlinks. You have 90 backlinks and only a 0.2, which means that majority of these backlinks are of poor quality, are no follows, or completely unrelated to your services. Backlinks are critical and they have to be high authority backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you need to make sure you're getting the right type of backlinks and that you have more backlinks than your top competitors. You're not being indexed for any keywords, and you have zero traffic coming to your website per month. So 70% of your organic traffic is going to stem from your website. So it's very important that you work on these factors and get your website optimized so you can drive that traffic, because you're missing out on thousands of potential volume each and every month. Um, when we look at Dalworth, you can see they have a much higher score, and they have over 4,600 backlinks. So you're going to have more backlinks and higher quality backlinks than your competitors. They are being indexed for over 2,300 keywords. And so they're getting over 2,700 people to their website each and every month. So this just shows you the type of volume that you're missing out on. Now, what a backlink actually is, it's when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is that's linking to you, the more authority it's going to give you and the more power to push you up through the Google ranks. You do want to make sure that they are do follow backlinks and not no follow backlinks, because a do follow backlink will share the power of those high ranking sites with your website and help you to rank faster. And it's also important that these keywords are being closely tied to the keywords that you're trying to rank for, so you can be found for each of those services in each of those service areas. And then the last thing is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 for each of your service areas and all of your relative keywords, because 30% of people come directly to the maps and they don't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3, you're sending all of your competitors, all those leads to your competitors. So in order to get in the top 3, there's a number of factors, but the most important is citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yellow Pages, Dex, Instagram, Yelp, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow each of these tips I provided you today, your website can become number 1 across Google for all of your keywords and service areas. And I know you said that you have somebody currently working on this, so hopefully this video will be able to help them. However, if you do find that your website is still struggling and you're not getting the results, we are SEO experts, so go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.